welcome to my vlog. So today is April 17, 2021. So today it's my birthday. So it's my 32th birthday today, as long as mag-celebrate din ako ng happy 1K subscriber sa wakas na kamit ko din yung yung stage na yan. So thank you guys so support at sa mga kaibigan ko dyan na walang sawang sumuport sa akin. So tinitreat ko yung self ko as a birthday at saka yung
Dime, salamat sa pag-aruga na ako. Dagdagan baka tuig dire. Ana, salamat ne.
Happy birthday, Day. Ug daghang salamat nga hatagan pagkagdaghang pagkatuigan sa imong kinabuhi, sa imong mga pagpangandoy, nga hatagan pa ka og taas pang kinabuhi uban sa imong pamilya. Usab salamat sa imong pagsuportar kanamo. Daghang kay salamat. Usbon ko happy birthday.
Happy birthday me. Salamat sa pagsuporta namo og ngayon tag daghan pa kang tuig dire. Salamat pud me kay sige may mag-alagaan. And happy birthday po me. Hello. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday to you.
one more.
Happy birthday to you, Nan. Happy birthday to you, Nan. Birthday, Ate. Happy birthday to you.
Love you.
Love you. Yes. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday to you.
One more.
Not again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ate. Happy birthday to you.
I love you.
Oopsie.
Hi, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yan. Binigay ko na yung request mo, ah. I love you. Someday makita rin tayo.
Hello, Ate Angeline! Happy birthday! God bless you always! Keep safe! We love you!
Happy birthday, Ate Angeline. Og happy 1,000 subscribers nimo.
Happy birthday, Jay! I wish na matuman imo mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi. And happy 32nd birthday and happy 1,000 subscribers. We love you.
We love you.
Hi, Day Angeline. Una og labaw sa tanan, Day. Happy birthday. More birthday to come. Stay guapa in and out. Wish you all the best in life. Hinaot na malampuson ka sa imong mga pangandoy sa kinabuhi uban sa imong pamilya. Congratulations! Sa wakas, nagbunga ra jud ang imong mga pagpaningkamot, pag-antos o bilar gikan sa sinug padayon ng Jud sa imong gibuhat karon nga makapalambo sa imo ang kinabuhi. Once again, happy birthday and congratulations!
Hi, Day Angeline. Happy birthday. Wish you more birthday to come in your life and good health always. And stay pretty. And salamat sa tanan nga imong gitabang diri nako, especially sa pagpaligya-baligya og salamat sa pagpaila sa online world nga dako kayong hagit sa akong kinabuhi na nga murag makwanta kay naidaghang ni post pero ikaw may motivate nga niya ana na ang online world dapat dili ka makuan down kinahanglan up gid sige og salamat kayo sa imong mga tabang diri namo ug congratulations sa imong channel nga daghan na kay follower and narami kanina nimo nagasuporta and salamat and congratulations. I love you, Day. Mwah.
Hello everyone. Birthday ngayon ng aking pinsan. So, babatiin ko lang po siya ng happy birthday. I hope you have a great day today and always healthy, more blessings to come. So, dili na lang nako tason nino kay daghan pa mig trabaho kay Ramadan karon. So once again, Day, happy birthday. Sa'yo ang inuman, sa'yo ang pulutan. Happy birthday. Sana'y pakainin mo kami. Happy birthday.
Ayun, sis, happy birthday, sis Angeline Angeles Vlog. Today is your birthday, and once again, before anything else, mega love shout out to all your supporters, to all your friends out there, outside and inside Whitey World. It's me, Bisayang Boog, ang pinaka-energetic sa Whitey World. Sis Angeline Angeles Vlog, I wish you all the best, joy, happiness, laughters, and blessings. Just continue your journey, sis. Enjoy your life and be what you are. As what I've always said, be positive and don't surrender. Life is a lot of difficulties and we struggle everything before we commit all the success. Happy birthday. Hope to see you soon and hope to be with you soon. See you around in Whitey World. Happy birthday, and you are a kind of friend of mine who always care about me. So thank you so much for all your support. Thank you so much for always being there for me. Tubugoy Tisoy and Kolokoy ko 17. Thank you. Happy birthday. Wishing you a wonderful year ahead. And once again, Bisayang Boog. Napa-English tuloy ako. Happy birthday, sis. Bye.
Hello Langga Angeline, congratulations Langga, nakapot gid nimo ang imong gipaabot ang road to 1K. Now, konting kimbot na Langga, money na ka. And happy birthday to Langga. I hope happy kay kasi imong birthday karon. And og karong tuiga makabot sad nimo ang imong ginapangandoy. In God's will lang maabot na sa imong kinabuhi. Naalang mi kanunay diri sa imong luyong, andam nga mutabang nimo. God bless you always Langga, and have a nice day. Happy birthday, and congratulations. Love you.
Mega love shout out to Angeline Angeles Vlog. Mega love sa iyo dyan. Ay, Angeline, happy birthday pala sa iyo. At saka congratulations dahil 2K ka na, subscribers. Thank you so much also, Angeline, sa pagtulong mo sa akin. Wish ko sa iyo na sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng more birthdays at saka maraming kaibigan sa YT. At saka hopefully sana po maging mabait si Lolo sa iyo. So once again, Angeline, happy birthday sa iyo at saka congratulations for your 2K subscribers. This is Poronte Guapo. Ciao!
Hi Angeline, happy birthday. May the Lord showers you more years to come, good health, and the best of luck. Enjoy the YT world. Keep safe, and we love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Sis Angeline. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa buhay mo. Maging happy ka everyday. Yan. Sana magtagal pa yung ating samahan sa BBYT bilang magkapatid sa YT. Sana magtagal pa tayo, ha. Push natin ang ating mga WH. Sana ma-monetize na tayo. Sana ma-monetize ka na rin ng before after birthday mo, ganyan, 'di ba? Para happy na tayo. So, yun lang, sis. Happy birthday again. Wish you all the best. Sana wag kang magbago. Thank you sa pagiging sister sa BBYT. Thank you so much. Yun lang, wala naman akong ibang masabi kasi napakabait mo. Bait mo pag every LS ko nandun ka. Sana kahit na monetize na tayo, walang magbabago sa atin. Yun lang. Happy birthday again.
Hi Angeline. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come, no? Then, yan, congrats pa lang. 1K ka na, no? Yun. Huwag masyadong magpakalasing sa birthday, ha? Yan. So, once again, happy birthday. Bye!
Hi sis! Ngayon ay araw ng karawan mo. Nais kitang batiin ng happy birthday. Ingat palagi dyan. Enjoy your day. Love you. God bless. Happy birthday.
Hello, Dai. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Congratulations sa imo ang 1K subscribers. Hinaot nga mamuni na ka very soon. Thank you so much sa imong support na ko all the time. Thank you.
Hello, sis! Happy birthday sa'yo. God bless. More birthday to come, and mag-iingat ka palagi. Continue mo lang yung mga hilig mo, mga ginagawa mo sa buhay, at patuloy mo lang yung pangarap mo para sa anak mo at sa family mo. Thank you sa support, sis. I love you. Happy birthday ulit sa'yo. Bye!
Hi, Dai! Happy birthday! I wish that Lord will give you a lot more blessings for you and for your family. I love you and I miss you. Happy birthday!
Hello sis. Today is your birthday. Happy birthday, sister. Happy birthday, best friend. Happy birthday, kababata. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis. I wish you all the best, good health, and love life nimo. Thank you sa tanan nga na part ka sa akong life. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Hi Kaz, happy birthday. I wish you all the best in life. May the Lord reward you always. And God bless you. Stay safe. Enjoy your day. And also, I almost forgot. Congratulations on your YouTube channel. I wish you will get more subscribers in the future. As in, laban lang. Okay, God bless you, Kaz, and stay safe.
Hello, Ate Angeline. Congratulations sa imo YouTube channel nga 1K subscriber na ka. Keep it up, og hope nga mas mudaghan pa na siya. Narami diri permi mo support nimo. I love you.
Happy birthday, Happy Angie. God bless you more and wishing you more years to come and more blessings from God. Hinaut ka mamalipayin ka sa iyong birthday, and thank you for being nice to me, and stay pretty and nice as you are. God bless. And again, happy birthday. I love you. And I love you as being my sister. Thank you for everything.
Happy birthday, Day Angeline. Tiguang na jud ka, Day. Malapas na ka sa kalendaryo. O amping da permanente bisag layo ka. I miss you dayon. Naot nga masakses ka sa imuhang negosyo o uban sa imong mga plano sa imong kinabuhi o sa imong love life. God bless all. Happy birthday.
Hi, Angeline. Shout out naman ako kay Angeline Angelis. How are you? Sana okay ka lang. Galingan mong pag-online seller mo. I miss you. Miss kita. Maraming salamat sa tulong mo sa akin. Love you. Ingat lagi. See you in 2 years.
I looked up, oh, it's another year gone by. Oh, it must be time to celebrate again. And it's true when I tell you it's your day today. And it's true when I tell you it's your day today.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Ready?
Can I be